Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about another important AI tool where we can use to make our content a brief content, and also we can generate images using that AI tool. Let's go on to that AI tool and explore what are the important options available in that particular AI tool. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is Maker AI. So it is one of the powerful writing experience of world-class processor used with AI magic. So I am going to click that Maker AI. So click on that Maker AI. You can start a free trial. So you can create an account through your Gmail ID, and then your dashboard will be available. After you log in, you will get the dashboard like this. So here you can see AL powered templates, blog post, product description, landing page, LinkedIn post, Instagram caption. I am going to click blog post. So describe the blog post you want to create. So just I am going to give create blog post on future of renewable energy in power sector. So like that I am going to give. So here I am going to give professional. So here titles are generating for us. So you can see different types of title are generated. A bright future of renewable energy in the power sector, harnessing the benefits of renewable energy sources for power, revolutionizing the power sector through renewables. So unlock potential, exploring renewable sources in the global grid. So this is catchy one. So I am going to click next one. You can get the outline of that particular blog. So it is generating the blog. So after that you can see the subheadings: introduction, what is renewable energy, next overview of renewable energy. So like that the benefits. So the subtopics are generated. So what I am going to give is give write draft. So it will take up to few minutes. Here our content is generated. So unlock potential, exploring renewable resources in the global grid. So you can see introduction, benefits, trends in sector, so technology advancement, future of renewable energy. So conclusion, a brief blog post is generated using this Makers AI. So this is one of the best option to generate your content using this AI tool. So you can create blog post content. Next one is you can create like that. You can create product description, so LinkedIn post, Instagram caption, landing page, like that you can create. So this is the important option available with this Maker AI. So next you have to click on art. So here you can see you can create image by clicking this by giving a prompt, that is a text to image converter. So here what I am going to give is, so I am going to give installation of solar panels in desert. So like that I am going to give, and give create image. Here you can see our image is generated, installation of solar panels in desert. So like that you can here click here and you can download the image, and you can use for your content preparation. So this is an important option is available in this AI tool, that is called Makers AI. So like that you can use this AI tool to get the best result out of it. So here especially for the blog post, it will create a fantastic very informative content, and the content is very very informative, and it will give a best content that you can post in your blogs, or you can use that content for your research paper writing also. So this is an important option available with this Makers AI. Next, I am going to give product description. So what I am going to give is solar panel, product name, describe your product, solar panel for home installation. So like that I am going to give. So tone of voice, exciting. So I am going to give generate. So it will take several minutes to generate the content. So here you can see the solar panels, a perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce their electricity bills and become more energy self-sufficient. Our state of art is designed to capture, so like that it will generate the content. So if you are not satisfied, you can go ahead and you regenerate also. So after that it will take several minutes to regenerate your content. So thereby you can generate your content for free. Again you can regenerate your content. So here our regenerated content will be given. So you can click on save and edit option. So thereby you can copy and paste, or you can copy and paste this content, and you can use this content for your research article preparation or any blog post. So thereby you can use this Makers AI to get some very informative and authoritative content which can be very useful for your research paper writing also. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.